guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a human made from coral reefs using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First, you're going to open up Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in to get free credits. Then you're going to go to the home menu, add your prompt here. Alright, and then I'm going to add my photo. I'm going to choose random photo from my gallery. I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to send this prompt and also the photo to AI. And hold on. Okay guys, and these are the results. And then I'm going to choose one of them. I think I'm going to go with this one. This one looks very beautiful. And then if you want to download it, you can click on download, or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate here. Okay guys, and that's how you can make a human made of coral reefs using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI channel link on my YouTube description.